Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare millets paniyaram without using maida or wheat flour and just by using 100% millets. Today let's prepare millets paniyaram by grinding the millets at home. Take a bowl, add 1 glass of millets, wash them thoroughly. If you have millets flour, you can even use it directly. I am using all the millets together: foxtail millet, Ross millet, barnyard millet and brown top millet. Let it soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it is soaked very well. Now just take a plate, just spread a cotton cloth on it. Spread the soaked millet so that it dries up. Within 30 minutes, it just dried up. You don't need to keep it in the sun, just at room temperature that is sufficient. Now just transfer it into a mixer, soaking this millets in water so that it grinds well into a fine powder. Just grind it into a fine powder. It's perfectly done. Because we have soaked it in water, it has grinded very soon. Transfer it into a bowl. I'm using 1 glass of millets. For 1 glass of millets, add 1 glass of rava, 1 glass of jaggery and add only 1 glass of water. All the ingredients should be in same measurement. Melt it. Once it is melted well, we can add this jaggery syrup into the millets. Add the jaggery syrup into the millets powder and mix them well. It will become thick after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the rava and millets are soaked well in the jaggery water and it became little bit thick. You can even store this batter in refrigerator for 2 days and use it. Add little water because it was too thick. Make it into a perfect consistency. Pinch of cooking soda. Mix it well. Take a panniyaram pan, add some oil. Pour the panniyaram batter. It is one of the very healthy sweet recipe. Add some more oil on the edges. Just flip it over. You have to flip it immediately so that you get a perfect round shape. Wow, our millets paniyaram is ready. I hope you like this video. Try this healthy and tasty millets paniyaram at home. It really came out so perfect. It is even cooked very well inside, very spongy and tasty. Keep watching Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal.